So hi friends, today we are going to explore one new tool that is ElevenLabs.io. So reason being we are exploring this tool because this is having a lot of use cases nowadays, and see, as you can see, like it is being trusted by leading developers and enterprises, like whether being Perplexity, Twilio, Chess.com, Synthesia, and ESPN. And not only this, okay, when we deep dive into this, so we are going to see like how much it is useful with lot of use cases. So yeah, we land on this page. Okay, so this is the home page. So what you have to do, so you will get this option to log in or sign up. Okay, so since you are visiting this platform for the first time, then you need to sign up, but since I have already logged in this, so I will click on this login. You will just validate for that ID and password since I have already saved it. Okay, so after that it will load the page, so let's wait for that. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, we are on the landing page now. This is my workspace. We are having a lot of use cases here. So if you see here, this introducing 11 E3, this is the version 3 of Alpha. Okay, so experience our most expensive model with emotional depth and rich delivery. This is in version 3, which is the latest model. Okay, we just got the pop-up, right? So in the left side panel, you can see like we have the home, voices. Okay, and in the playground, we have text to speech, voice changer, and sound effect. So in the products, we have studio, dubbing, conversational AI, and speech to text. And below we have this audio tools, notifications, and this all sorts of thing. And in the my workspace, if you see, we have and here we have like this many things here like instant speech, audiobook, conversational AI, podcast, sound effects, and dubbed video. Okay, so if you see from the left side, right in the panel, right, we have voices. So if we click on this voices, so what we can do, we can add a new voice. Okay, we can like design an entirely new voice from a text prompt. So by giving a text prompt, we can design an entirely new voice. Okay, an instant voice clone, that is clone your voice with only 10 seconds of audio. Okay, so you can experiment these things because you need to be an at least the starter plan. So for this, like you need to subscribe, right? So all the basic features, so currently like I'm also on like free plan, so whatever the things that I'm showing, okay, that is available with available with free plan, so you can check that. But all the things like where you see the subscribe button, so for that you need a subscription. Okay, yeah, so at the bottom we can see we have the voice library. Choose from thousands of high quality voices across different ages, accent, and styles. So if you click on this, then we will get this voice library here. Okay, so in this alpha, okay, which is in v3, like what and all things are going to come, right? How is the like mode, right? So mode is like conversational, narrative, and story. Like if you want to make any kind of audio works for which we want like kind of narrative and story, then we can use this voice. Okay, and whether it's for and any like our use case which is having like kind of entertainment content, right? So for this, like we can use this voice. Okay, and again here it goes for narrative and story. Okay, and this for advertisement, like if you want to make any advertisement audio, right, or advertisement video, for we can generate the voice. So on the second tab we can see my voices are there. So inside this all the voices, right, which I have created, right? So I have created or like I have chosen here, right? So you will get this here. Okay, so as you can see, like as I mentioned, my voices on the right hand side, you can see this create or clone voices. So we can create our own voices also here. So there's an option to create. Okay, and these are the filters, like we can like filter based on this latest what we have created. Okay, this is the voices which is provided by ElevenLabs. Okay, and you can see a default voices here. So all sorts of voices are there based on different modes that we want for our use case. So we can take it from here. And in the collections, we can see like you can create a collection voices into personal collection. So if you want to create any collections of such, like if you have frequent use case, like you want a particular thing, okay, if you don't want to search and waste your times, so in that case, what you can do, you can just create your own collection so that on the very next time you can come and directly use it. Okay, so so you don't need to like spend your valuable time searching here, right? So that is the like a very good advantage of this. Okay, now if you go to here, like in the playground, like we have text to speech. So if we explore this, so here what we have is, so you will land on this page. Okay, so what you can do here, you can provide your text. Okay, whatever. So this is basically text to speech. So what you need to do, you need to provide your text here. Okay, and on the right hand side you can see, right, you can select the voices, whatever voice that you want to choose, right? So you can click on this simply and you can preview it, right? If you like the tone, then you can select it, else you can check any different voice. Okay, so and see, you can see the description also, like for example, this area, a middle-aged female with an American accent. Okay, so if you want Indian or some different thing which is available here, so you can choose that voice, right? For example, like if I choose this, right, so this is chosen, that voice of that particular lady will come here, right? And the model in which you want to generate, so this is like the, so 11 v3 alpha, as we saw, that was the pop-up that is having the latest version. Okay, so obviously, like latest model is having some new features, right? As you can see here, 70 plus 71 plus more languages, okay, that is available. And in v2, as you can see here, 26 more. Okay, so but here you can see like high quality, so because this is new one. Okay, obviously, but you can see some offers here, 80% cheaper and all sort. Okay, so you can check that. So as you can see here, like we have chosen that OSS area, right? And of ElevenLabs, okay, that is automatically giving a suggestion that area is best recommended for V2 version, right? So here recommended for area, so we will choose this simply. Okay, here you don't need to like change the settings. Okay, let keep it similar, whatever it is. Okay, yes, based on your use case, like if you want you can do, obviously, but these are the recommendations given by AI, right? So that is the best one. But still, if you want, you can change it. You can like manipulate with these changes, like whether you want to change the speed to slow or faster. Okay, and stability. Okay, so if you want it to be more stable or more variable, okay, so you can change this as well. And how much similarity you want. Okay, so that also you can change. Okay, so these are the some sort of settings that you can change. Okay, and if you want to reset it, if you have changed it but still if you want to reset it to the original value, so you can click on this, so it will reset it. Okay, so here you can give any text, right? So for example, here there, let's learn AI. Okay, so this is the text, for example, I have given, right? If I want to generate the speech, then it will take some time. Okay, and as you can see, we have only used 23 characters out of these 5,000 characters, which, okay, which are available at one shot, but your overall is 10,000 credits remaining, right? So this whatever the text that we gave, so that is created. Okay, so this is how it got created. Okay, and we can play this. Okay, and if you want we can download it also. So once we click on this, that will be getting downloaded, see, as we can see there, right? So this is text to speech. Now on the second, okay, in the playground, the second we have is the voice changer, right? So click to upload or drag and drop. Okay, so what we can do, okay, we can voice changer, we can like upload, okay, any existing that voice clip that we have, or either we can record also. So once we do it, okay, the file will be available here. Okay, so after that, what is the functionality here is, okay, try instant voice cloning. Okay, a realistic digital clone of your voice with the as least as 10 seconds of audio. Okay, so we can create a very realistic digital clone of your own voice. Okay, oh, and like even as little as 10 seconds. Like we can even make a very short content of 10 seconds, like 10 seconds of audio also. Okay, so same here, like we can choose the voice model, okay, and stability, similarity, and this we can choose, and we can generate this thing, okay, as well. So for example, if I want to upload a video, I mean, sorry, audio that we have generated just, or some any other audio, let me check if I have any sample audio file available with me. So yeah, I have one. Let's check it out. So I'm just uploading it. So once, okay, So if I click on this to play it, okay. So this is a 34-second long audio file. Okay. So what I can do here is like I can generate speech. Okay. So once I click on this generate speech, so let it load. So see, this voice get converted, right? So you can change the voice right from here, and this will be getting converted, right? So you can play with it, right? You can select all this different voices available, okay, and this will be getting changed, like voice from this to this, it will be converted, okay. Now we have the third option is sound effect, right? So once we go there, so a car whistling by, okay, so this is sound effect, okay, like we have here, right? A lot of use cases like where we use the sound effect in our audio, right? So for this, like we can create the sound effect, okay. So how we can do it? Like you can just change the setting if you want, okay, how long it want, like, okay. If you try to a car whistling by, okay, so if you click on this generate, so okay, it is generating. So yeah, see, so it is giving you samples, right? So you can play all these samples files, okay, whether being this first, second, third, fourth, and whatever you like, you can just download that and use it as per your use case, right? So what we can do here, like we can give the prompt here, okay, like the sound effect for which use case we want our sound effect, right? So a car whistling by, okay. So in the same case, like kind of like lion rolling in the jungle forest, okay. So that you can also mention here. So based on that, like it will give you that sample audio file. So okay, so you can just play with it, okay. You can just play this using this button, okay. You can hear it. If you like it, then you can download and use it, okay. And if not, then you can again like made some modification in the prompt, and you can again generate, and you can see there, right? So this is in the playground. We have seen whatever these three things we have seen in the playground, okay. And the voices we have also seen, okay. Now we check into this studio dubbing conversational AI, okay. So this is like for the first part, okay. What we have seen, this is in the part one, okay. As the video will be long, so I will just cover only this things in this video, and this product, right, in which is having a studio dubbing and conversational AI and speech to text, we will see in the next video, okay. So if you need some more details, like if you want some particular things, okay, to be covered, so do let me know in the text comment section, okay, so that I can see and I can make some resources for you. Thank you.
Like, comment, and subscribe. 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 Like, comment, and subscribe.